Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we will explore the world of extreme luxury and extravagance. We're talking about the top 6 most luxurious yachts ever built. These aren't just boats, they're floating mansions with features you can't even imagine. Think gold walls, private submarines, and pools bigger than some hotels. So, grab a seat and get ready to set sail on a journey through ultimate luxury. Before we continue to our video, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to never miss any of our future uploads. Now let's get started. Number 6. Eclipse, the billionaire's playground. Let's talk about Eclipse, one of the most expensive yachts in the world. It belongs to Roman Abramovich, a billionaire known for his love of luxury. This yacht is massive. It's over 530 feet long. That's like a floating city on the water. What makes Eclipse so special? First, it has a missile defense system. Yes, you heard that right. It's like something out of a spy movie. Second, it comes with 2 helipads. So, if you're in a hurry, you can just fly off. It even has its own mini submarine. Imagine diving into the ocean right from your yacht. Inside, it's pure luxury. There are 2 swimming pools, several hot tubs, and countless suites. The master suite is bulletproof. Privacy is also top-notch, thanks to an anti-paparazzi laser system. It's not just a yacht, it's a fortress. Number 5. History Supreme, the Golden Marvel. Have you ever heard of a yacht made with gold and platinum? That's History Supreme for you. It's owned by a mystery billionaire, rumored to be from Malaysia. This yacht is smaller than Eclipse, just 100 feet, but it's much pricier. Why? The materials used. The base is wrapped in gold. Yes, the entire base. Platinum is used for other areas. Inside, there's a statue made from a real dinosaur bone. How's that for unique? It even has a meteorite rock displayed as art. The master bedroom has walls made of gold. It has a whopping price tag of $4.8 billion. It's less of a yacht and more of a floating treasure. Number 4. Azam, the Speed King. Now, let's shift to Azam. This yacht is all about speed and elegance. It's owned by the royal family of Abu Dhabi. At 590 feet, it's the longest yacht in the world. But what's even cooler? It's one of the fastest, with a top speed of 30 knots. Inside, Azam is stunning. The interiors were designed by Christophe Léonie, known for his classic style. The design theme is inspired by French luxury, and it looks like a floating palace. There's a ballroom, a cinema, and even a golf training room. Yes, you can practice your swing while cruising. Azam is also highly advanced. It uses cutting-edge technology for navigation and security. It's fast, it's fancy, and it's fit for royalty. Number 3. Dilbar, the floating resort. Dilbar is another masterpiece in the world of yachts. Owned by Alisher Usmanov, a Russian billionaire, this yacht is all about size and comfort. It's over 500 feet long and has the largest indoor swimming pool ever built on a yacht. The pool isn't just large, it's luxurious. Imagine swimming while surrounded by gold accents and mood lighting. The yacht also has a massive garden area. Yes, a garden on a yacht. You can walk through the greenery while at sea. Dilbar can host over 100 guests and 80 crew members. The interiors are filled with fine art, marble, and custom furniture. The yacht also comes with a fully equipped spa and a helicopter pad. It's like a floating resort, offering every comfort you can imagine. Number 2. Serene, the ocean's jewel. Serene is a favorite among celebrities. This yacht has hosted people like Bill Gates and Mohammed bin Salman. It's sleek, luxurious, and packed with amazing features. First, the size. Serene is 439 feet long, making it one of the largest yachts in the world. It has multiple swimming pools, including one with a glass floor. Beneath it, a viewing room where you can see marine life in its natural habitat. There's also a saltwater pool and an indoor climbing wall. Yes, you can climb while cruising. The yacht has 12 staterooms for guests and a private deck for the owner. The interiors are designed with luxury in mind, using the finest materials. Serene also has a hangar for helicopters and a garage for submarines. It's the perfect yacht for adventurers who also love luxury. Number 1. Flying Fox, the ultimate charter yacht. Finally, let's talk about Flying Fox. This yacht isn't just for billionaires. You can charter it for a cool $4 million a week. It's 446 feet long and offers unmatched luxury. The highlight of Flying Fox is its wellness center. It has a 2-story spa with everything you can think of: saunas, steam rooms, and even cryotherapy. There's also a gym with ocean views. Flying Fox is perfect for water sports lovers. It comes with jet skis, scuba diving equipment, and even a sea pool. Inside, the design is warm and modern. There are 11 cabins, each with its own balcony. The crew is top-notch, offering 7-star service. From fine dining to personalized activities, you get treated like royalty. It's the ultimate yacht for those who want to experience luxury, even if just for a week. Conclusion: luxury yachts are more than just boats. They're floating paradises. Each one is unique, offering a mix of elegance, innovation, and comfort. From gold-plated decks to underwater viewing rooms, these yachts redefine luxury. Which yacht would you pick if you had the chance? Let's dream big together. That's all for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed our video. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful day.